What's happening, guys, and welcome back to my new video. In this video I am going to show you how to add your own avatar in Roblox. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now click on view and now click on explorer. Now you can see explorer is open. Now play the game here. Now your avatar is here, you can see. And now go to workspace and right click on your avatar and copy your avatar. And now pause the game. And now click on terrain and click on paste into. And now you can see your avatar is finally added. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video.